Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about budgeting 101. Let's get into the video. Budgeting is a fundamental financial skill that involves creating a plan for how you will manage your money. It helps you track your income, set financial goals, and allocate funds for various expenses. So today I will talk about the basic step to budgeting. The first thing is determine your financial goals. Take a look at short-term and long-term financial objectives. Examples include paying off debt, saving for emergencies, buying a home, or planning for retirement. The second thing is calculate your income. Write down all sources of income, including salary, freelance work, rental income, etc. Use your net income after taxes for a more realistic view of your available funds. The third thing is list your expenses. Group your expenses into fixed, unchanging, and variable, changing categories. Common categories include housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, debt repayment, and entertainment. The fourth thing is differentiate between needs and wants. Recognize essential expenses, needs, from non-essential ones, wants. Prioritize needs in your budget to ensure they are covered before allocating funds to wants. The fifth thing is create a budget. Use budgeting tools like spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or pen and paper. Allocate specific amounts to each expense category based on your income and priorities. The sixth thing is the emergency fund. Work on building an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. The seventh thing is monitor and adjust. Periodically track your spending against your budget. Adjust your budget as needed to accommodate changes in income, expenses, or financial goals. The eighth thing is debt management. Prioritize paying off high interest debt to save money in the long run. Consider the snowball or avalanche method for debt repayment. The ninth thing is save and invest. Distribute a portion of your income to savings and investments. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401k and consider other investment options. The 10th thing is review and reflect. Regularly assess your financial goals, budget, and spending habits. Celebrate achievements and adjust your plan based on changing circumstances. Also, be realistic in your budgeting to avoid setting yourself up for failure. Cut unnecessary expenses to free up money for your financial goals. Use cash for discretionary spending to help control impulse purchases. Remember that budgeting effective process, and it may take time to find a system that works best for you. Consistency is key, and with practice, you will become more adept at managing your finances effectively. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.